This is what I saw by the eye of the Spirit. Can I prophesy?
Prophesy.
My eyes were open and I was taken by a whirlwind into the Spirit. And as I was taken by a whirlwind into the Spirit, I came across a hospital. And I went to a room written radiologist. I went into a file written X-ray. I opened a file that was written CT scan. I opened the file and I saw a doctor like Dr. Mwenzi, who is the doctor. And then you said, read further. And I saw a head scan. When I saw a head scan, my eyes were open. And I saw something by way of the Spirit. I saw a name written, Elizabeth. I saw a head scan. And I saw by the second frontal lobe of the brain, I saw a tumor about 1.78 millimeters in your wife's brain. There is a tumor in your wife's brain. 1.78 millimeters big. Can I prophesy? Prophesy. Elizabeth. Mutoni.
My wife was diagnosed with a condition called meningioma, the brain tumor.
Can I pray for you? This relationship thing is stressing you. I'm seeing a guy. Right? This guy. You're not married, are you? Because I'm seeing a guy. This guy. Nimefika point ya mpaka ni watu wanasema fulani mume wake ni fulani, fulani mke wake ni fulani. It was that deep. Yes. And I'm seeing this thing, it's breaking. And I see, but you still love the person. You want the person back. And you're wondering what happened. Because I even saw God, you are supposed to have 2 children. You have 2 children. Your man left you. I see Baruch, Kilimanjaro. What is Kilimanjaro? Wait. What is Kilimanjaro? Kilimanjaro. Nimeenda mkoa wa Kilimanjaro.
I went to the region.
When I entered, I see a woman. The person that is blocking your marriage. Kilimanjaro. Anaishwa Kilimanjaro.